And me and you are married, not me and you in the church. We are two people and become one. You understand me? So a church stay over there, so, and me and you stay over here, so. When we go to church, we in a church and deal with church. You see what we are? We deal with me and you. You understand? And that me depend.
Jay, there is something that we have to do. There's my church mother. She has to give the okay for us getting married. That's it.
Who? Church mother? So Gladstone. I just know me hear about that godmother here.
How do I say this? Alright, listen. She's my church mother, and she's also my sponsor.
Gladstone. I don't like them something here, you know. I don't like surprises. And when you say chef, you know, give the go ahead, that's what you mean. Because this step on my finger already, you know. It not come off, you know.
Jay, it's not like she have to give the go ahead. Alright? She just want to get to know you. Know who's Jenny Hill, not godmother. You know, it's just a little formal meeting.
Alright, sir. Me just pretend like I am mother me and meet. But like how this is a surprise, because I never know about her. Is there any more surprises?
No.
Any church father?
No, Jay.
Church uncle?
No.
Church auntie?
No.
Cousin, sister? Any
No.
church? Baby mother?
Seriously?
I'm just saying. You can't be too sure. Just kind of never know about. You know, church mother, no church mother, just pop up. I'm just saying. Yeah.
No, Jay. No more secrets.
Okay.
Jay.
Hmm?
There's this other one thing though.
What
The stone face character.
What about the stone face character?
Janelle, remember you're now into the church, you know. You cannot have thugs hanging around you like that.
Gladstone, I tell you to be careful what you say about that you there, you know.
What does stone face do for a living, Jay? You have a 9 to 5? You have a trade? Jay, look, I'm not trying to be malicious or anything of the sort, alright? But you have to remember, you're representing the church now, and you're also representing me. So you have to consider changing your circle. Alright? So let's think about it. Let's have a wonderful evening. Let's relax. Watch a movie.
We did done have a wonderful event. You're gone on the phone nice and make
Calm down. Calm down. Alright? Calm down. Let's just watch a movie and relax, okay?
Alright. You get the phone.
Oh, yeah.
Which movie were you watching?
There's this new movie that came on Netflix.
Which one?
It's called Love and Triangle. How was it?
It's okay. You sure? You sure a movie I wouldn't want to watch?